Oh my God, where are my wheels?
Hey, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Hey man, why did you crash into me?
Sorry. I rushed to the hospital, so I didn't observe closely.
My car broke down. Get down here quickly.
Oh, maybe not now. I'm in a hurry to see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, stop. Don't run away.
Oh.
What should I do now? My car can't continue to go anymore.
Yahoo!
Looks good. Now I'll go fix the car.
Let's go!
Hey, help me.
Where did your car break down? Let me fix it.
Can you help me change new wheels?
Aha! This is so simple and I can do it in just 5 minutes. Let me see. Wait for me. What did you attach to the bomb or something that exploded?
I'm sorry. I don't know what it is either.
Okay, let me change the wheel for you.
Why did you fit me a wheel as big as an elephant? Please change it for me.
Okay, boss.
Do you like this wheel?
No. This wheel does not fit my car. What should we do now?
Oh.
Hey, what's going on? Why are you here?
My car wheel is broken. Can you help me?
I have a spare wheel in the back. You take it.
Let me help you put it on. I already did it for you.
Wow, great. So good. Thank you so much.
Okay. Go carefully, my friend.
We're leaving. Goodbye.